I'm very proud of this organization that I've been affiliated with. We have always been on the cutting edge of education. We have some of the strongest providers in the region as instructors. Also, we've enhanced the hands-on experience with two key areas. One is our cadaver lab, which usually was reserved for doctors like me 41 years ago. And it's been a wonderful experience that I've impressed on the students that this is a unique and wonderful experience to actually get hands-on with as close to the human experience as you can get, which really beats the plastic and rubber, which I'm sure you all remember, and even I remember as a medical student and in my residency. That is really just something that I'm so proud of that we've been able to accomplish that I think really puts us ahead of the game as far as pre-hospital education goes. The other aspect, which you can see behind me, is we have an in-house mock-up of an ambulance, which really gives the students an opportunity to enhance their skills and to work as a team in the environment that they're going to be spending the rest of their careers in, close quarters in the back of an ambulance.